SOA Exam P practice question number 10. An insurance company conducted a study on the likelihood of different age groups being involved in various types of accidents during any 1 year period. The results of the study are as follows. There are 4 types of drivers: teen, young adult, midlife, and senior. 12% of all drivers are teen, 37% are young adult, 32% midlife, 19% senior. If the drivers are teenagers, the probability of having at least one collision is 0.18. Given that the driver is a young adult, the probability of having at least one collision is 0.12. Midlife driver, the probability of having at least one collision is 0.08. And for senior driver, the probability is 0.11. Given that a driver has been involved in at least one collision in the past year, calculate the probability that the driver is a senior driver. Define the event. Let T be the event that the driver is a teenager. Y, young adult. M for midlife driver, and S for senior driver. Let C be the event that the driver has at least one collision. And then we have PT equals 0.12, PY 0.37, and then we have PM 0.32 and PS 0.19. Given the driver is a teenager, the probability of having at least one collision is 0.18. So we have the symbols P of C given T equals 0.18. Similarly for young adult, midlife, and senior drivers. We want to get the probability of S given C. Given the driver has been involved in at least one collision in the past year, calculate the probability that the driver is a senior driver. Use the Bayes theorem. We have the following expression. And then do the substitution. Upon calculation, we get the probability. Given that a driver has been involved in at least one collision in the past year, the probability that the driver is a senior driver is 0.1858.